Well, today we're preparing these boilers for an annual code inspection. The inspector will come in and evaluate these boilers to ensure that they're safe to operate for another year. The process consists of opening the fire side and the water side of the boilers. We'll open up the flue doors and open up all the handhole and manway accesses so the inspector can do a visual inspection of the internals of the boiler. Since these boilers are pretty new, we're not going to see a whole lot. Some of the typical problems we'll find is usually chemical related, oxygen pitting in the tubes, some corrosion scale buildup inside the boilers from lack of proper maintenance or chemicals. It's common for refractory to have cracks and need repair and patching, so that's a common issue that we see in boilers. Well, at this particular facility, the steam produced by these boilers is used for cooking product. So they cook food for human consumption. Other places may use it for other things. Power industry, they'll use steam to produce electricity, run it through a turbine. It's used for a large number of different purposes. The thing we find the most in training is the lack of experience or the knowledge, or even the understanding of how dangerous a boiler can actually be. So we teach everybody boiler safety and how to operate a boiler safely and have a healthy respect for the boiler itself. So it's always important to make sure that when you're opening these boilers up or you're doing any type of work that you're safe while you're doing it and nobody gets hurt and everybody gets to go home to their family every day.